The purple stuff, what is it?
So aquí tengo el huevo, mira. Wait, let me turn the camera para que miren ahí. Shit. Wait, let me turn the camera. This is how we get our eggs too. In the bag. So le hice una agujería ahí y ya estoy sacando el huevo. What I'm gonna do it little by little. That way it gets cooked faster and better. All right, give me a second, guys. Let me stir it. Ya le hago otro agujero. Okay. Put the phone. Le eché todo el huevo. So you see how the egg is on top, all right? This is why you want the fire to be really, well, high temperature. You just cook, stir, cook, stir. You don't want your egg to be super hard. Okay? Because if you do it super hard, then it's not gonna taste as great. All right, but I'm gonna let it sit more. Keep doing, baby. Oh wow! You already put the. What is that? This right? Purple. Oh, it's ube. Condensed creamer from ube. Oh, and then you put it on the rice? And then the cheese? You just put one slice? Wow, one slice of cheese.
The cheese is my mom.
So she's wrapping. So it's basically a lumpia, but it's... Alright. It's basically lumpia, but it has sticky rice with ube flavor. So she's putting the ube flavor right there. And then one cheese. Wow. And then wrap.
Kids, bata pa din na sila tanan.
And then the water to seal it. Wow.
Magkuha na sila mga panyo at isang magbayang